Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can use AutoDS for eBay. Essentially, I'm going to be covering automation software overview, why AutoDS is a top choice, and the step-by-step on how you can set it up, comparison to alternatives, and so much more. So without much further ado, let's get right into it. First, it's important to acknowledge why automation software is pretty much mandatory when graduating from casual to serious seller status on eBay. As your listings catalog grows from a dozen items to hundreds, efficiently managing key processes manually becomes unrealistic. Monitoring price changes across products, maintaining stock level accuracy, quickly updating product information, streamlining listing uploads, and so much more. And when issues inevitably occur, like for example inventory shortages or shipping delays, then having software support to immediately surface these incidents is invaluable. The bottom line is automation massively alleviates friction while adding capacity to scale. And in the dropshipping software space, AutoDS stands out as my top recommendation based on extensive personal testing and client feedback. A few major advantages is the all-encompassing functionality. AutoDS consolidates listing management, inventory monitoring, order processing, and fulfillment support into a unified platform. This prevents the complexity of integrating separate tools. It's also very reliable and uptime, with 99% uptime over the past 2 years that I've used AutoDS. System instability simply has not been a concern. It also has established track record. And for these reasons and way more, adopting AutoDS often provides the easiest on-ramp to unlocking next level growth. And before we dive deeper into functionality, let's quickly walk through getting an AutoDS account established from scratch. For that, we want to register for an account, so visit AutoDS site and sign up for a starter plan with email. They offer a trial for 14 days for only $1, and you can cancel it anytime you want. The next step would be to add an eBay store, so connect your existing eBay storefront using API or non-API integration. Use the non-API for obscuring dropshipping fulfillment method. After that, you can install a browser extension, as you can add 2 key extensions, one for connectivity and another for product research flows. And finally, configure the suppliers. Identify third-party supplier sites like Amazon or Walmart to source inventory from for listings. And that covers the basic gist. Just overall an intuitive process that can be completed fairly quickly. Next up, I'm going to go over some of the core features and functionality available within the platform. Once set up, AutoDS truly provides comprehensive automation support for the full range of e-commerce operations. From initial product research to customer payment processing, let's break down some highlights. You've got the streamlined product research, as you can quickly search and import items from integrated suppliers like Amazon and Walmart to draft listings. You also have the bulk listing management, as you can upload hundreds of listings instantly while AutoDS handles reformatting and optimization. There's also the dynamic pricing rules, as you can create flexible pricing formulas based on competitor rates or the custom markups. You can completely outsource picking, packing, shipping items through the 3PL partnerships, of course with added cost. There's also the performance analytics, as you can gain visibility into meaningful KPIs like the sales volumes, ROI on listings, fulfillment costs, etc. And these capabilities collectively allow sellers to scale up without drowning in manual overhead or wasting funds on avoidable issues. And given the space includes dozens of competing solutions, how does AutoDS measure up to alternatives like Zik Analytics? For pricing, AutoDS offers highly affordable subscription plans starting at $10 monthly for up to 200 listings. The pricing overall is aligned with the value provided. When it comes to support, they offer exceptional customer service and onboarding assistance based on my own experience. So based on these evaluation criteria, among others, AutoDS delivers a very compelling overall value proposition compared to substitutes. However, oftentimes combining specialized solutions is optimal. But for most dropshippers getting started, AutoDS alone can hugely alleviate the growing pains. In closing, scaling an eBay dropshipping business from a side hobby into a full-time income stream is very doable by leveraging automation software like AutoDS. So go ahead and start your trial with $1 a month for 2 weeks to experience AutoDS platform and features firsthand. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know what you think of it in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then definitely give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.